Just chilling. Just chilling. We'll see.
I didn't even go off it.
I hit it.
I've done a little tiny fucking tabletop because it's crazy. They're like tiny on the world.
Get that big well tan, BJ! Lean it! Lean back. Lean back. What?
Damn it, I'm sorry. I was riding that blind.
Did you see my foot come off? Wait, he's like, your back wheels everywhere. One of the corners kind of just like, oh, I'm a bit close to that edge.
I was like yesterday, just like. Yeah, you said it took a few to get into it, right? Yeah, definitely. This should be quite interesting as well. You want to go? Yes.
Shawty got low, 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 low. Ah. What the fuck is this? Oh, hello, tree.
Yeah, take the bar on the trees.
Yeah, I was like, oh, tree. Oh, tree.
Have you ever ridden that before? Huh? Have you never ridden that before?
I've never ridden that one before.
Like you go straight on instead of taking that right. And then that setup, I've never seen that before. Yeah. That was so sketchy because it was wet and I don't know what the conditions are. Yeah, like normally that's.
I've never done the bridge, I just manual down the whole thing.
Yeah, because you're like a bit like that. Oh, I thought it was going to chuck me off. Them roots are hard to make your way through.
I'm just trying to use the grip on the side of my tyres.
Keep the speed, don't you?
Laying it down.
Speed out the corners, and I was like, motherfucker.
The main line, they also do this thing though.
That's going to be wet and wild in there.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty wild. No brakes through the bottom there.
Meow.
It's greasy though, it feels. I don't know if it's grippy or not. This is a good test of these tyres, and they're yeah, it's the first time it's really in the wet that I've used them. I wouldn't really say it's the wet. Point there, boys. Warm, yeah. Warmish. I wasn't put on through
No.